Hello everybody, how are we all? Paul79 here. I hope you're safe and well. Getting a bit wet here. This weather still isn't getting that much better, although it is brightening up. But I hope you're doing all right. The reason I'm talking to you now is I thought I'd do a little video on me taking this car to go and see Dr. Dave and Surgeon Sergio at Kraftwork Vehicle Refinishing. These are the guys that actually painted this car about 3 years ago, and as you probably know if you watch me on Instagram, I had a little accident the other day with this car and my wheel clamp, and yeah, I've done some damage to it. So you know, I made an appointment with the doctor, and he managed to fit me in at the end of surgery, and I'm going to take it over there and see what he thinks, and more importantly, see how long it takes and how much it's going to cost me. So I used to use I say, a wheel clamp like this on my car, just to give it a bit of an extra layer of protection. And foolishly, the other day I was rushing to take me to go and get my daughter from school, and I forgot to take it off the car. And what happened is, first of all, the wheel clamp broke, and then secondly, it basically ran all the way up here, and you can see what damages it's done. It's really chipped out a lot of filler and paint on the edge here. It basically came all the way up to here. We've got damage there. It scraped all that side there, down the bottom as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go and see Dr. Dave and see what he thinks and how hard it's gonna be to fix that, and how much of the car I need to take off beforehand. So I'll see you in a bit. Here we are at the hospital. We've got the long hospital ward. Hope there's a bed. Here we are at Kraftwork. Barn number 1.
These liners come out?
They do?
Yeah, they've asked us.
That won't come out though, I've glued that.
Okay. How's the wing fixed? Can the wing move at all or not? Down here, you've got
It's a bit straighter, yeah.
Consistent gap to the bottom, and that lines up.
Mm.
We wouldn't have left the two out of alignment when it was originally done. It's not a major problem to move that wing back a tad, close it up. If the door still clears, then you can leave that, tidy this up around here and here, and then just replace that transfer there.
Yeah. Oh, even got it there. We've got Dr. Dave and Surgeon Sergio. You've even got your surgeon gloves on. Yeah. Right, so I've had me check-up, or the car's had a check-up. Dr. Dave says it's going to be alright, shouldn't take too long to do. It should be healed in about 3 or 4 days. So yeah, watch this space. See you later guys, bye!